everybody decides to forget about Ijele. That Namunwa Wezugo can never forget about Ijele. You understand? I will continue talking about Ijele until the day the people who are concerned will decide to do something to bring out to meet up with the bail condition of Ijele. Yes, I will continue talking about him. You people cannot be making noise, only making noise on Facebook without any way furnish. It brings me to the reason Njiwene made this broadcast today. The reason for this broadcast today is to ask you people once again, why is Ijele still in the prison yard? Despite his health condition, despite his health challenges, despite being granted bail, kedife neme onwamwe ke jigare mapo ka agoba jigare donko. I want you people to come and tell me in a nutshell why Ijele is still in detention. Yes, I will never allow you people to rest until the day you people will answer me this simple question I've been asking. It is over 1 month going to 2 months. Age will grant Ijele bail. Yes, even when Mazen Nandekano was granted bail for the first time, there were people there who came out and stood for him, including the senators. Senator Enyimne Abaribe is one person again. Stake Lego. People stake your things. Mazen Nandekano were put out from detention. Now, even when I granted very dark man, Chioma versus Erisco Tomatoes, they have granted more terrible people bail and they have met their bail condition. I am asking, Kelife neme nanki Ijele or agoba jigare donko ko nwamgbe ke jigare mapo? I want somebody to come and answer this question. Yes. Why are you people silent over Ijele? Are you people happy seeing that guy languishing in prison? Yeah? Why are you people so heartless? Why are you people so heartless? I am asking. Yeah? Why are you people so heartless? Why you usually abandon that guy? Because it is very clear that you people have abandoned him, but don't actually admit the fact that you have abandoned him. Yes. No with him. Why no that he is standing alone? Why no go see her ivory that he is standing alone? Why did you people mislead him and made him to understand that the majority of you people are standing with him? Could this be a signal to show us that it is only a little or just a few numbers of you people who are on Facebook? And all this why? When are you people going to show us your strength? When are you people going to match words with action? When are you people going to match energy with energy? When are you people going to do a show of force so that we can see what you people are capable of doing? Yeah? Although right for us to say that at this time, that message has been passed and people has learned, people has learned their lessons. Because I am still not understanding. Happy Sunday, Izuchukwu Joshua. Stephen M. Okereke, he will stay there for as long as you people allow him to be there. Onucho abandoned Onieba for 50 years. He will be there for 50 years. Yes. The only reason Unjemifa is that I know the kind of noise Unune make. And I am asking you people, are you people still gathering money? Is it that no na the right property? Or no na chunu ni the clicks unu ni nenwelu. Then when you funi somebody not even na level gono. In the civil service. mwe godu na onye elu buhodo that level a na-ekwu eluzie ebe ka negotiation na-aga court decide to cut down the bail condition. Still till today you people are yet to even go halfway. Ono abandon that guy there after ono lapta sharia. After ono lapta sharia, yet ono putakwa keta anorukwa nwekwa God. Edakwa ala wi ụfọdụ ụmụ okpo. No na ala wi ụfọdụ nde afa ha wi okpo. Ha ka putakwa na-emeke noise, ka na-emeke mouth, na-etusu ọnụ, na-etugharị ọnụ ebe niile. Na-etugharị ọnụ ebe niile. Ndị produce common as numbers as you know ha. They produce a common how many million and property. So among you people, even a single person will a property. Umazi Igbo ni na which are properties scattered all over VGC, Ikoyi, VI, and Ndotwe, Leki, Kelebefano. So none of them can be found among you people. I am asking. I am asking. No, William Okori. I'm just saying out. I'm just thinking out loud. Yes. If they have the energy, if they have the muscle, why can't they bring him out? If they have the energy and they have the muscle, why can't they bring him out? Why is he still in detention? I am asking. They bragged. They bragged. Fail to go on. Nyem auto zo anana zo pusiama. Ebehan on a comment section. Hana bamba. Hana kono. Hana rig fire and brimstone. Yeah? Only for them. Yeah? Matthias is rich. Matthias can't even place the money. Eba ke ya no we man ndeng wele go na ndeng we go. She no dio money ha na ekwu. She no na Facebook. Matthias nka. Olugo no omume. Olugo no omume. Nyalo no ego. Or contact with Diego ha na claim the Matthias nwelu. Matthias supposed to be with friends and colleagues. Or supposed to be with contacts. They with property na Lekki, Ikoyi, or any of the choice areas na Lagos. Ebe property lulu 1 billion or 5 billion per property. Or supposed to be with onweho wuo. Yeah. Ane yenye some poto. Ana was gari ono. Yeah. And I was on value chassis football dife. You have never seen anything. You have never seen anything. My happiness wona trash ni na hanako. Mba ha camera izuzuru bia here. Mba nti ha camera ino ha notification izuzuru bia here. Nwi ni ho a top ni ibuho badge of top fan na this page. Mba ha camera izuzuru bia here. Ife ni na han na ekwu izuzuru na anwe. Nwere any choice. Yes. On ne with tongue now, is it not my mother tongue? Kelebe afa eno value shas. Ofeke value. Enwehotum all value. Enwehotum all value. Ana zo kafa na ebu wanketa value shas. Do you know the meaning of value? Do you know the meaning of value in your widest imagination? A joso kulafa na za value. Do you know what it means for somebody? Do you know what it means to kelu value inwelu? Can you go and exercise that your value? Ijele no. Obere bia ba na aka ajaja mgbe ha camera iye so na the first people ya bia here e bia genti ife nchoro ikwu e bia kwa ikwu na aka na ka nwanyi na ga gana and ya that watch that is. I know they follow you self. What are you doing here? Do I even know that somebody don't exist? At least you know that I am existing. I should be the one ya that's value ezugo. Value ezugo. Me change my name to value ezugo because someone will value. Obro na me will value. This ofeke value cannot come to be watching me. You are watching me as a celebrity, If you know so, you can say, look at ezugo. Mfo knows agafe mamonye. Have you seen the difference? So if I'm supposed to value ezugo, oblongonwa, you a single value. If you buhodi ife, kankulu dani fi Ijele kulu. Kankulu dani fi Ijele kulu. Ekuru do ndene eba zano no nya ekuru go mi fi Ijele kulu. Ekuru go half or quarter of ifi Ijele kulu ha na akoro yaka na ase Ijele right down, Ijele right down, Ijele right down. Ekuru go mi fi Ijele kulu. Mpo half of ifi Ijele kulu no no. E ma na Facebook ya gbadi no ze buan. So oburu na ife niile Ijele na akoro yaka. Forget about people who are talking too much. Yes. Since you no sign on people to start talking too much, allow us to talk too much. Yes, allow us to talk. Yeah? I may not donation maki Ijele, but I equal na that donation next year ka ye bidokwa that donation. Aya kwa this year. E otago ayi chole wash go ndo to this year. Ka mara ife ha ye me ugo ni ife me na. Ha ni nyi so mkpoto. They talk too much, they don't act. They talk too much, they don't act. During the time of Matthias, it was talking. During the time of Ebonyi, it was talking until Ebonyi realized that Nanda ya abandon ukwe. Ebonyi Buffalo. Kelafa ya onyobodo Buffalo. Some of them are still unwise. Valueless, go and advise your entire family. Go and advise your entire family. You want to go? Don't advise me. You want to go? You don't need to advise me. Mother ha advice on your kemma. If you don't even mother na advice on your kemma, no way. Is that not how Ijele came out to come and advise people who are 20 times and 100 times more better than him? Look at where it has landed him. Look at where that advice and activist on him. Look at where it has landed him. You got to go? I am asking you people, when is Ijele going to come out? When are you people ever going to meet up with the bail requirement to bail Ijele? Stop. Show us action. Show us. May I even show of force? You got to go? Men, act. You people, it's over how many months? I will keep counting it for you people, in case you people forget. You think you can forget? We cannot forget. Some of you people. Some of you people now comment in the comment section. I'm on that one and details on are being gathered. I am laughing at you people. Ijele self, I arrest Ijele. The media, no na arrest Ijele. Some of you, I arrest you. No, arrest Rona at all. I am telling you, some of you no na comment section are ranting. All manner of things. Little did you people know that most of you are being monitored. Little, did you know? I am giving you this expo today. Know it. Now, maybe Ijele no we kagumawuna at least I arrest the Ijele. The Ijele's issue get to the media. The media malona arrest the Ijele. I arrest the Angoma. 1 year in on a detention. Unye ya mwana emerga arrest. Ijele no we kagumma. So since na arrest ya no unye nwere ike iju esegu. Why can't you shut your mouth and go in and sleep? It is still me now, kindly advising you. A proud Otimpu. God will improve. If you don't know Otimpu do proud. So na newi ke ya fu Otimpu do proud. E gotta go. So no Otimpu na newi ke ya fu Otimpu do proud. For example, imu daja. Ase no Otimpu ibeto. O na alu chiku na enu ebe niile. Na alu hotel. Na alu chiko plaza ebe niile. Na agba helos. Na agba moto nwere ko si wedo. For example, another example. Sa ilozwe. Asego no Otimpu Shikasel. If you will convoy na agbalo, if you na alu chiku na enu ebe niile. If you no nyeka. Asego no Otimpu Ifeanyi Uba. If you na alu chiku na enu ebe niile na agba moto na alu fast food joint and other things. Na newi ke ya fu proud Otimpus. Ifu ezugo. Asego no Otimpu Akozion, Otimpu Ndezion. If you na ha mmano, if you na emeri ife doria. Ngonwa ha Otimpu gono ke na-eme. Ngonwa ha Otimpu gwazenu m ife pasare. Pasitara anything now. Yotago. Ngonwa ha Otimpu pasitara anything. Ijele tigidolu Matthias, tigidolu unu mkpu. Kelifo titeru misery and agony. Kelifo titeru na mkpu. Misery and agony. He was doing exactly what I am doing now. The only difference is that now, no, on the wrong track. A big man don't talk too much. Matthias is the only big man who is allowed to talk too much. Waja is the only big man who is allowed to talk too much. Ijele is the only big man who is allowed to talk too much. Enwe ma call madaka ngumma shares value enwe time e mana e odo ka eju honde mmadu ha gba o resu go nwe time Ezugo nwekwo time. I have time. Enwere time for fake like you. If you move fake, like you, I have time for people like you. You gotta go. A woman call a proud, unye we ha call. Nebe no kwa ke yafia. If that unye we ha call do proud. So ebe no ke yafia. You gotta go. Say bunye we ha call. The only happy unye we ha call do very happy. Unye we ha call na ha mwana. Unye we ha call na ebi ofuma. It's only Ezugo Global TV. Well, I know that person. So since you want to confirm, can you take away that value in your name because you are valueless? You know a single value. No a single value. When the Zion lienu mo Zion blue no liem. Zion lieu the man one atoto. Omenala buzes ukwase no wonu li Ijele. Ijele no in misery and agony today. So can you tell me what he has gained in whatever noise Nino making on Facebook for the sake of you people? He has lost everything that made him Ijele. His life is in shambles. His life has broken. Even if he comes out tomorrow, his life may not remain the same again. Courtesy of you people. Courtesy of you people. Ukafa nebu wanketa. Ukafa nebu wanketa. Education in Ijele is a force to reckon with. Where is that force? Educate. Where is that force today? Ijele is a force to reckon with. Where is that force today? Yes. Ijele is a force to reckon with. I am asking, where is that force today? I am not seeing the force again. The force has disappeared. Etu akunu siwe lagide. Etu akunu siwe lagide. Lagide. Well, I will keep waking you people up. Even if you people forget about Ijele, I will never allow you people to forget about Ijele. Yes. Let's forget about Ken Palace of Justice for now, because now at least Ken another thing go to email onwe we ban so Ijele won Ijele jake talk onwe into trouble. Yes, you live in Europe and they can't come live every day like you are talking like why made you and I'm about to show the book you know pugeri. I live in Europe and can't come live. Or give them work on mo. I don't care. Even work on the boss of my own can. I don't know anybody all. I can call live morning, afternoon, night. Yes. Or if a dish between one eye. Nya go sere na mona ga blow mate na can go more for ma. Yes. You live in Europe. Mama do na ma be na Europe. Okay, yeah, you live in Europe. You live in anywhere, in on I can niche like a bonna. Go na Jesus, yes, so ebia be bedun and then one. I live in Europe. I live in Europe. Come back that you live in Europe. Why you be life we do Siabia? If you go where what taxi is supposed to if you go where push bills in the dollar, well, moke, menu can make them now, go make them cash up. Make can give the default on equal tax. Now say they have your life. Come be alive. Come I challenge you to come live like me. Not that I can't born if I not that I can't born if I how I wish they were not that I can't born if I gotta go. Oh no, I can't ya de make it. Well, like it Ijele, educate. Ijele is a force to reckon with. Ijele is a force to reckon with. Today, where is that force? Where is that force? Where is that force? If you value shares, how I wish a name on a comment section may be the greatest mistake you may wait at this comment section. There, John, they're going to make now. Ejule say before you be able. Oh, Ijule say. Ejule so be able to Ijule say. John say now. John them bubalo sa in agba. Ejule them bu very fi in eme. All Ejule them bu seek advice from them. I say no. Ejule don't go and show yourself. Ezugo platform is the wrong place where you can go and disgrace yourself, because you are disgracing yourself. You have been typing for over how many minutes? You are not saying anything. You have been typing for over how many minutes here? You are not talking. You are not talking. I am expecting you to come here and tell me, okay, Ezugo, look what we are doing for Ijele to come out. You don't have that data. I'm sure by now Ijele gonna regret ever associating with miscreants like you people. Yeah, people ain't with value. Yeah, I make a go do you know. Living in Europe should give you access to coming live daily. It is actually more expensive to come live in Nigeria than Europe. This is empire. I don't know I wouldn't be in Europe. This is empire. I don't be in Europe. Nda be in Europe. This is. I don't be in Europe. Only an edif akita be in Europe. More na elope. Hello. This is empire. I don't be in Europe. Only an edif be in elope. Hello, Aro. Nda na-eme m ifele. Nda na-eme m ifele. I am asking you people, I am trying now to help you people. When is Ijele coming out? When is Chukwuka coming out? This is on Atogamu. This is on Atogamu. No, won't be na Europe now. Won't be na Elope. Ndị niile efuru na-abịa na Facebook abịa enye m ndị ahụ na Elope ka ha bi. Elope ka ha bi. Ịghọtago? Ha bi na Elope. Ezuga, I remember I warned you about Ejike. Shioma, onwekwono mgbe m amaghị Ejike kama no amahụ na Ejike ya emecha degenerate ya to this level ọ nọ. Ịghọtago? That was the time ha diri ka ọ bịa manipulate ya people like us into ideally doing what nwoke ba ya onye ụkpọ na-eme now. Ịghọtago? Ha diri ka ọ bịa manipulate ya anyị. Little did he know that little did you know that people like us cannot be manipulated. You ought to go. Desmond Bright Shime say, as a man, hand go soon touch you. Till then, I push a go in the hand that touch you. Oh, when in the hand that touch you go to get a carry open the hand the guy touch. Oh, no, I'm give it. For the moon, I'm if I swear. I open the hand that touch you go. They carry open your hand the guy touch. Yeah? Oh, only hand the touch go no na detention getting to 5 to 6 months now. It can't go only hand the guy touch. Can we talk about only hand the touch go now? We will talk about the hand the guy touch in future. Yeah? Keri fa ye monya akametu go now. Keru ka yesu we ko onyoku walo. Echekwu na mgbe Ijele na-esik. Mana o nwere ajụjụ nchọrọ ịjụ. Keri fe mere Ijele ji we push way for bell. Ijele eche no ebe lụọ ya agwenye wota 15,000 naira na WAEC certificate ye. O ife na-ajụ. Yeah. Emakai our topic ewo kelu mgbe Ijele ya apụta. Kelu ife kaji Ijele. When will these people do something and release Ijele from detention? They gave him their word that they are solidly behind him. They praised him. Yeah? Ejike Sraina Ijele is a force to reckon with. Ojekwa na page very dark man. After comment or drop on a page very dark man 2 days ago. Sekwa very dark man, you are a force to reckon with. In fact, the national anthem Ejike, you are a force to reckon with. Onye owner Ejike kwalo, you are a force to reckon with. Man at the end onya ha dukonia. Ejike one day anwokona nwagwame ezugo, you are a force to reckon with. Don't ever say that in my comment section. Or even address me like that anywhere. Ejike say how you are a force to reckon with. It is game over for you. Afukwala mebo jelu na page Ebel Damina. Ebel Damina is a force to reckon with. Na page very dark man. The very dark man is a force to reckon with. Na page onyekwa. Na page onyekwa. Obi ahosego, you are a force to reckon with. E malo na your end adugonia. If I will a message of doom. Message of doom. Yeah. And each time they draw a relevant question, they will begin to sound like broken record. They will begin to sound like broken record. I have just asked you people a simple question now, which is, when is Ijele coming out? That is number 1. Number 2, keri ife kaji Ijele epota. That is number 2. Oh no, na agotachaho condition etiri for bell, yeah? I have it written down. I can read it out for you people. I can read it out for you people. Yeah? When is he coming out? I will keep hammering on this every obosigakwa. I will come back again in case all no chef go, so that I can be reminding you people. Noise unu do too much. Unu melu that noise ofushipumaho. Yeah? Unu melu that noise. I will keep reminding you people of how much you people made noise. How much of a noise you people made. Yeah? You think you have the word in your palm. Olugono mume. This is the time for action. The action part of noise nina hunumelu is now. Yes, it is now. I want you people to do a show of force. Go see the stuff you people are capable of. You are still trying. No wonder. Onyobodo ran. Epo yisom bafuo. Nda unde nwenu brain Ndi Igbo n'ime. Onwe nde ka nwe brain Ndi Igbo n'ime. Ha gbafusia. Onye obodo we take advice nyeri esinsi. Focus on your content in eme. Si ebe anyị nọ pụọ na ihe menwe ife do na anyị nwa sign all this. You did not sign for it. E other go. Anyị nwa sign for this. You did not sign for it. Yeah? Ebukeze odogwu karịrị odogwu. I cite you, brother. I greet you. Yeah? Anyị nwa sign for this. Kwado for this akwado. Onye obodo akwado. Onye obodo na-eme nwanne otu ada eme ife a, otu ada eme ife. Ịghọtago? Eh? Nke a wụ ife onye obodo ha sign on. Eh? Then Ijele. N'obodo ebe ahụ you are already sitting on a naked wire. Don't push yourself more into Isi from frying pan. Banoko. Emaka, I will still bringing people when you were brother. Oh? Eh? I want him. Now, na naked wire, ebi done already one naked wire. Don't shift from frying pan to fire. Ojo, njokwa ajuju ọzọ say, the moment you make it do ife no your enemies will be do praise you. Don't think that it is a sign of victory. That is the same thing name J back today. I will keep telling him. Oh no mo I see every from I may look younger in age to you, but I see far. Eh? And when I see far, I will keep talking to you. Even J Park in Eme today he is enjoying the clapping of his enemies. Those who never liked him, they still don't like him till today. I should read out here. Those people who are clapping for J Park today, they don't like him, they never like him, they can never like him. You can be entertaining them. Every day you are teaching us of how to be a Christian. Why can't you be a better Christian? You are still claiming that you are a Christian. Why can't you be a better Christian? Use your life. Let us see the reflection of what a true Christian should be from you. Yeah? Atazoke ezigbo mmadụ, I greet you. Yeah? Atoke ina akwụkwanụ ngwanụ end this broadcast kpọnụ oh brother. End this broadcast kpọkwazie m again oh. You see? How to be a Christian abụrụ ife ya da akụziri mmadụ. For example, ya da akụziri m ntu mmesi wee were ezigbo mmadụ. Being a Christian is something you can never teach people. You don't need to teach people. Through your life and how you live your life, people will see how to be a better Christian and how to live a better life. Now, J-Pack, in all the ranting in Eme, I want you to look at your life. Is your life reflecting that of a true and a real Christian? Is your life worthy of emulation? If not, why are you coming on Facebook to be entertaining people who cannot sleep the moment handle that in your downfall are go? You gotta go. You went and interviewed Mr. Brother Paul Shibo. You came on live because all instigator call. He like instigating people to start fighting so that he can stand and start creating content. Oje interview Paul Shibo, put a this caption. I know they will come after him after this. Who will come after him? Who will come after him? Paul Shibo has always been an advocate of false prophets. He is doing it with open mind. We are seeing that of a truth that he is after those people who are bringing the name of Christianity into dust. We knew. Why doing that also? He is also preaching the message of Christ. He is also upholding Christianity, that it must continue, that is not going anywhere. But if we know him. We know that song in Egosiai. Who doesn't know who Brother Shibo is and what is signified? We are solidly behind him. You cannot instigate him against us, and you cannot instigate him us against him. It is very clear. We are wiser. Don't think that we are not wise, and don't think that we don't know what we are doing. Yes, as an instigator every day on a preach how to be a Christian. I know they will come after him after this interview. Kerife Paul Shibu that program do so bad that people will come after him. And people who are coming after him, what are they coming after him for? You are simply blind that you are failing to understand our message. And that is what made you different. Now we feel very different from people like us. Yes, you obviously think that we cannot distinguish the difference between Paul Shibo and Matthias Isaac. That we cannot distinguish the difference between Ephraim Ononye ministry worldwide and the Waja. That we cannot distinguish the difference between Father Oluoma and the Ejike Moment of Truth. We know the difference between these people. Yes, and that is why Ijele uphold Wunda, now condemn Wunda. So you cannot come in now to come and cause quarrel or unnecessary quarrel. You can't do that. For example, if Ononye ministry worldwide is our own, it is not today. Even mgbe mama bụ na mma bịa to media, if Ononye ministry na eje na ABS, wow, na eje na TV station and radio stations, olu ebe ahụ na-ekwu about false prophet, fake prophet. It is not a new message. People has been preaching it. Even Ijele was sometimes na-ekwu na page here. So you can't go and start saying, I know they will come after you. Who will come after him? That is the question. Who is going to come after him? The problem I'm with Matthias Nandoto is very clear. That no kawu a scam to you, J Park. Oko a scam. The answer is no. Even na video today, yesterday, what? You are still talking to those people who are saying that Jesus Christ or church is a scam. You acknowledge the message I have been preaching a long time, which is gonna that nanda na choke emeshioka ka ha we nwike commit we sin at will. The message is on your page. That message is on your page. Where you are saying that na even that jachoko ka meshie ka people we commit we sin at will. Ka ha we mebe njo. That message is on your page. You have failed to understand that message here with Matthias and the rest of them, they're very different. Which is gonna na pharmacy na Jesus Christ is a scam. To you, is he a scam? The answer is no. No kayana. Ipeta no kayana. The answer is no. Yes. Na Bible. Who a storybook which is fake? Okay, Bible to you, is it fake? The answer is no. These are the people who say that no, now Christianity will not stand. Why will you come now and start justifying what they are saying in any manner? I can talk with Paul Shibo, I can talk with Daddy Ephraim, I can discuss with Father Oloma, but I cannot discuss with Matthias. I cannot discuss with Father Angelo. I cannot discuss with Ihe, the Light of Africa. I cannot discuss with Mazidibia, and I cannot discuss with so many of them. The reason is clear. I have stated it. Yes, that Ephraim nostrated out for fake prophets. That was what I even knew him for. Paul Shibo, that was what I knew him for. And yet, we love them. Have you seen that name with something to with something to there which you are failing to understand? And for as long as you are ignorant, you can never understand. We are not even expecting you to understand, because to you, it is all about business. Everything about you is business. You gotta go? You gotta go? Yes. Yeah? You gotta go? So, ogo na hana acho ka hana akukose. Ogo na hana acho ka hana akukose anyị na ndị mmadụ isi ọnụ. Onye pụtakwuo na enwere fake pastors or na-enwere fake prophet. They will be thinking that na onye kwu ha ye be after him. That is exactly what we know. We know that now those people they exist. But the question is, are we after those people who are after those fake prophets? The answer is no. Who are we up against? We are up against those people who want to tell us that the Bible book fake. The Bible book is storybook and it is not real. We are after those people who are telling us that now Jesus Christ is fake. We are after those people who are telling us that now church is a scam. We are after those people who are up against every value that makes us a Christian. It is very clear. And that is why I keep reminding people, when you join my program those days, I'm no more doing it now, because now I fear from work. I have gunde boka funde ba afifia. Mana mgbe ahụ ka na-achọ ka mmanụ ndị ka boka funde ba afifia. Ịbata my program, just like mgbe Shekwube, second in command Matthias Ezeaku bata my program. I asked him, in all these things, how do you see things? Where is your stand? Can I be believe? You will first of all define your stand for me. Then I will know how to engage you. Aris Travels ezigbo mmadụ. You are welcome. Nnukwu mmadụ. Daalụ o. Daalụ. Yeah? You see? Mana hapụzienu ndị nkụkọsị. Nwere onye amụghọ na J-Park bụ onye nkụkọsị. Oge ọ na-achọ ka ọ na-alakọsị ndị mmadụ isi ọnụ. Ọlaka onye. A harmless interview o melu Pastor Paul Shigbo or a post. If also Udele, I know they will come after you. Who will come after him? Okay, who has come after Paul Shigbo since Ojuwe Kushifa? Kelonye biagolo after Paul Shigbo? Nobody. Who doesn't know that if Paul Shigbo neku wezioku? We are after those people who are saying that because na okay ketebu water. No enough a good plant or a J produce many dosha. Therefore, now all the pure water factories should close down. Those are the people I do up against. We are up against those people saying that because of no Conquer transport, aha service motor hofuma, that transport company they should stop running. Yes, we are after those people. We are after those people who saying that because nafana alu unenu collapse wo. Those are the people I am sure. We are after those people who feel that because Nahan will motor will accident that people should not buy motor again. We are up against those people. You got to go. Manaya no ho against those people who will follow engineers do fake. No follow engineers I go how na habia luno collapse then will follow mechanic do fake. No follow mechanic be na motor na hama hifa hanalo. How chance the motor po fail break. So can somebody go and educate J-Park now? Cause water then will very clear difference between Egbe and the Egbe, Aqua and Aqua. You want to go? Or draw too intelligent to understand what I am saying. Because to him, everything is all about creating content. Content is what he do for a business. That is his business. That is where he make his money. Anything or they make create content. He cannot end at doing that. Otherwise, what is he preaching every day again on Facebook for you to be a Christian? Your life does it reflect that of a true Christian? The answer is no. So why can't you use your life to teach us? That is why if you go for charity, don't put it na Facebook, because na akwụkwọ nsọ sịrị ekwena ka aka nne gị fife aka ekpe unu enye. But to some extent, I agree with those people to public ifa. Reason is because when they do that, they are also encouraging people to do the same. So when you see that they have done the same thing, you will be pushed to do the same thing, learning from what they did. Your Christian life should be like that. You shouldn't come to Facebook every day. Now, why Ndi Onubu? Who is more Onubu than you? Awagon watch na Facebook. Who has fought more people on Facebook than any other content creator and when a Southeast? It is you. You are the person who is doing all those things. You are the same person who will be Onubu. Whatever thing. Na alaba. There was a time. Go na akwa. Onwen mbo. Go na onya. Onwen mbo. Go na onya. Onwen mbo we buko bi ke no against. Mecha edakpu ina ka ebuko bi ha. Mecha edaputakwa again. Keta afuru m ebe ina advertise ana enyelu ndị ụka. The only joy you go when you work on aqua, Kakabia Lolo best man. You will code with an angel doka. I am still coming because Nanka you made that broadcast. He code with an angel doka. An angel doka where say now the only native doctor na always bolo wakuko. One that format a castigo. That format a castigo. Yes. Echoroka wakuko woro best man. Go obu tabara buso golofu ke we buo. Kochi stamote kwere on a line. Somebody who a coward like JPAC, that guy can betray even his mother and his father for money. That guy who zero integrity. Yes. Because Melu best man. That is enough reason. Yeah? Let me go back to what I was talking about. Before I digress here, I gotta go. When are they going to bring out Ijele? It is my question. When is Ijele going to come out? It is my question. Kelumbu Ijele ya apota. Is it that? Is it that na famalo or na fe chef go? If a bell conditions here, I can remind them comfortably what his bell conditions are. Hapu zenu makandena moyo kuche na yama hifaile. What I go? Kelu bosse haye meet up with bell condition yeah. Yes, Owolo, no nigoha. They should tell us we can help. I mean, this help I decided in Ijele I shift to next year. We can decide to bring it down to this year. Yes. Iju wakulu ifo yeme, mwa kuli ife meme, ogechi kuli ifo yeme. A lot of people need donation. Mandenye their donation in billions. You got to go? Mandenye their donation in billions. One day. You gotta go. Yeah? When are you people going to show Ijele that you people are truly solidly behind him? That is like the question I am basically asking. Yeah? When are you people going to show Ijele that of a truth that you people are solidly behind him? If you even made you show hyping on, I don't need your hyping. Can even hyping on me? You need your hyping on. Ndola putotoria. A good advisors. You people cannot even advise anybody. If you no cholo wo, ase na nwanne onye na agba egwu ojo oka ikuku ogona na akọ nke unu wo nwanne unu na agba aja egwu iku anyo na eri eku ofuma onu na acho unu yeji we si onya o we woro mmo unu yeji we si onya ona yeji ko si onya onya unu aya amam. Yes, onya unu aya amu ezugo, because I know what I am talking about. Yes, I know what I am talking about. Gwana Ijele ya apụta. Ochumana 2 months I granted Ijele bail. Like going to 2 months later, he is still not out of detention. I don't have problem with him anymore for now. Let us say that, okay, we'll wait for him to come out and show us if he has repented or not. But again, he's coming out to dependent on you people. What are you people doing? What are you people doing to make sure that he comes out? That is the question I am basically asking. That is the question I am basically asking you people now. Kedifu neme to make sure that in Ijele putara na detention ebono. I am counting, but you people are not counting. I'm sure that you people are tired of counting. I'm sure that you people are tired of him. What is that news that you people have been expecting to hear so that this matter can go and rest? Yeah? What is that matter? Don't play. Don't play. For as long as you go no yeah, I will keep reminding you people of how much of a failure, of how much of a disappointment Ijele. I will keep reminding you people of how much of a disappointment and the failure. When you about this program, Mama Hozi. I will keep reminding you people. I will not cease to remind you people. Of how much of a failure and disappointment Ijele. You people disappointed, yeah? No a wise man. No a wise man. Ojechi Japuta, he will know better. Obrona of a true, no a wise man. Ojechi Japuta, he will know better and he will learn better. He will know better and he will learn better. He will learn better. I don't know what he was thinking about. You did not keep anything. You don't have anything. You don't have people. You are not even sure of the squad. In all on Facebook, now dance. I didn't know. What he was thinking. What exactly was he thinking about? I'm just thinking aloud. Yeah? I'm just thinking aloud. What exactly was he thinking? What was he thinking? Look at today. Look at today. Now, if any women you say for some people, I'm not me for J Park in Asia, do people like us on a yeah? You are a content creator. What people don't know is how to draw a line. Okay, for MC. Okay, for MC na meme. Agwagonge na MC na meme. MC na meme. Fuonyohi ko na abata na etuye akajiako. Pastor Ken odogwu na ememe. I don't blame you because ologo ke na alo. I define or ologo e define. Amaro na ewo MC wu na odoka Otimpu Pro Max. People will look away because na ndị mmadụ amalugo na ife awu ife na alụ. Mana what of ihe na alụzi MC jekwa wolukwa another thing ihe wolukwa jemaka wu ikwu onwe una ị na-asụzi onwe in between the two. Ị na-eme MC onye ọwụ na mana ị na-eme MC ọlụgo owo onye ọwụ na gbatalụ side o ihe lụọ ya ị nọkatakwasi ebe ahụ mapụ ijemakpu na another thing. Nobody begged you. Onwere onye beg nego onwere onye yologo so nguju okpa umakpu ne nguju okpa uwolo okpa jebe ebe your leg and your mind did not carry you to ijesha zie ba aputa shobazi onye ye blame kere onye ye blame kwuru ebe ikwu ka amanu na ife aka ejiwe mara go ya wu achi George ga ya na George ubezon na ife aka ejiwe mara you got to go. That is how life is. Mana na ekwu ihe ekwe ịpụtazie to do doka ego on na-eme na onye a na-eme business ya onye a na-eme business mgbe onye a na-eme business ya jee ka gụ na onye ohi je dono maka na ọ business ya ka ọ na-eme jee ka gụ na onye ohi je sukelu because na ọ business ya ka onye ohi na-eme oge ọ na onye a na-eme business ya agụbọla business ya ka ọ na-eme people na-eme business na ọ na-aka akụkọ ngwa na-eme business efiga ejugo nkwọ na efigu ka o juru nkwọ elute na nkwọ ebe efigu no akpọghepụ efi ya na-enusta. Yeah? You don't know what it means for a man to be steadfast and stand one place. You don't know what it means. Yeah? You don't know what it means. Every day. Who invited you in the first place? Who invited you in the first place? You could have decided to stand neutral. Stand neutral. Yes. Ndetoka uncle IB ha ama no ndo mena na ka hawo efu bone ka efu da na alo ha ka hapụta na Facebook bịa na anụ na eme ife niile ndị ahụ define on ife ha chọrọ na Facebook nọ ebe a na-eme. What you need to do is to define your own. Ọ bụrụ na JPAC comedy maybe comedy or no JPAC blogging blog over neutrally. Only a lot of people now blog neutrally. They can carry church news, they can carry Omenala news, they can carry Wadibia news, they can carry any news. Nda onye ona manage na page ya eje news. But the moment you decided to go in details, you must have to define what you are explaining to people. Can them mad malo? Was by choice, it's not by force. Yeah? So brother, I'm just saying it now. Imagine the caption na interview brother Paul Shibo. I know they will come after you. I ask myself, who will come after Paul Shibo, and for what are people coming after him? Because na Paul Shibo will know when they joke will you. Is it a lie? Did he lie? He did not lie. I've said it. And with constructive criticism, with destructive criticism, when you criticize destructively, you are trying you are likely to encounter resistance somewhere, because people know that you are not arguing, you are not criticizing to build, you are criticizing to destroy. So those people not in that field where you are trying to bring down will not allow you. But when you criticize constructively, you are criticizing so that people can learn. You are criticizing so that people can do better in what they are doing. You are correcting, most times with love. Even if you are harsh, people could look at your words, your choice of words, they will know that you are teaching them to be more better. Yes, you are teaching them to be more better. You can actually come in a context, condemn Ebukobi, condemn Matthias, put a way forward, people will read it, and they will read it with a neutral mind. But when you come to talk with so much hate and bitterness in your heart, don't think that it is not people that you are addressing. There are people who are too smart that before you make like 1, 2, 3 lines in your sentence, hate the code to get naga. They already know what you have in mind. Ndaya wakukata okwu ase okwo na ime ife adu ha mma ona akoko ife ona ako ase okwo na onye awo onye ojo ore ekwukwu ife ona ekwu ase okwo na osuhi ife ahụ ozuru ma ona ozuru ye ore ekwukwu ife ona ekwu oga ayi mu ife na ekwu ekuga ka ayi egego ntị ayi amara gị ife na ekwu esere okwo na onye azuru ohi na anyụpụ okwu n'ọnụ esere okwo na ona atụ na ife okwu ụwa ase na anyụpụ okwu n'ọnụ. What landed Shioma in prison in regard to Erisco Tomato was destructive criticism, a bad review, a review omelu to condemn and to destroy a brand or a product. Yes, it wasn't a review omelu out of experience here with that tomato. I don't know if I'm communicating. Yeah, so the difference is clear. Only if you know against the false prophet or so, and the mother be after him, then you are making a very big mistake. You know what I go? We are after those people who said that we shouldn't drive vehicle again because na moto ha no na enwere accident na Bini. I will go handle. Na moto ha no na enwere accident na Bini nwere ko wo na mechanic service here, a service te ho yofuma. No we go on a driver nye ngolo mmanya. E what go? No we go on a driver nye aho an experienced driver. That is what we are saying. E what go? If I could do very clear, you get my point. Yeah, I just because na moto polo na bini accident. I anya si moto. If I with people like me in Ekwu. As for Ijele, we are waiting for you people. We are waiting for you people. And until then, Ezuko, we keep reminding you people, now grant Ijele bail. You people made so much noise about this bail. They are going to grant him bail. You think they will not grant him bail? I grant Goye bail. Since over 2 months, the bail conditions has not been met. You people have not even gone halfway into meeting that bail condition. All the men of timber and cannibals, all the high intellect of people who know well in your clique have failed to come up to help Ijele. When I just say, or agoba jigare dunko ko nwambeke jigare mapo. I ask again, agoba jigare dunko ko nwambeke jigare mapo. Kai happy eba. Kobosta mala imma. Happy Sunday, my people. Ndema anabata hota une. Actually, this broadcast made today is not meant for me to bring people in, but just stay tuned to my program in the evening. If you have something to say, send a request and I will bring you in. So, until then, Kobosta mala imma. We are waiting for the day Ijele yapota. We are waiting for the day Oyapota. And since he has been counting on you people, he acted because of your influence, he acted because of your praises, he acted because he thought no one people. Obolo no believe na the thing and go. Why can't you people say it? Why can't you people say it? The man is simply suffering where he is. And he's suffering for your sake. Your people has forsaken him. Une disappoint again. Une go again onwe ifo nochi. And I will keep reminding you people how much of a failure onu to Ijele until the day Ijele potano. Remember even if he comes out now, awaya fozie. Awaya fozie. Oblona by chance no ne chef go conditions of bail are granted Ijele. Inbox me or tell me. I will come to Facebook again and tell you people in details from beginning to end the conditions of bail in Yelie. Opo wonu ne chefugo. Onwe iko wonu ne chefugo. Can happen here ba. Dalon.